Well, tonight, the investigation into whether Georgia's Lieutenant Governor Burt Jones violated state election law now has a prosecutor to lead it.
That's right. Why don't we bring in 11 Alive investigative reporter Zach Merchant. So, Zach, what's the big takeaway here, sir?
The big takeaway, maybe the biggest in this story that is many years in the making, is the fact that this investigation is finally moving forward after spending almost 2 years in limbo.
Burt Jones, then a state senator, was initially under investigation by Fulton County DA Fonnie Willis's office for his role in a group of so-called alternate electors who sought to give Georgia's electoral votes to Donald Trump in the 2020 presidential election. But after Willis participated in a fundraiser for Jones' political opponent for lieutenant governor, a judge in 2022 disqualified her and her office from prosecuting Jones.
Judge McBurney found that there was a conflict of interest for Fonnie Willis to continue as regards to the Burt Jones case.
Former Gwinnett County DA Danny Porter, who is not involved with the case, says once Willis was disqualified, the investigation was stalled until a new prosecutor could be appointed to lead it. The responsibility to find that new prosecutor fell to the State Prosecuting Attorneys Council and its executive director, Pete Skandalakis.
I suspect that he's been searching diligently to find someone to take it and finally realized there's nobody else.
Today, Skandalakis, a former district attorney himself, formally announced he will be leading the investigation into whether Jones should face charges in connection to events following the 2020 election. Porter, who served as an outside prosecutor alongside Skandalakis in the 2020 investigation of Rayshard Brooks' death, says getting an outside perspective on polarizing cases can be beneficial for prosecutors.
The one good thing is that you can really ignore the political pressure because Pete's not going to run for office again. I wasn't going to run for office again. So we were able to operate pretty freely outside of any kind of political pressure that people brought to bear on us.
The decision to pursue charges or not is now up to Skandalakis. Porter said at this point it is impossible to say how quickly he may make that decision.
All right, Zach, we know you'll continue to follow it. Now, in a statement, Jones told 11 Alive in part, "I am happy to see this process move forward and look forward to the opportunity to get this charade behind me."